What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to ultimately protect your rims, especially when you have rims that have like exposed lips. Maybe you have stretched tires, you wanna prevent cab rush, you wanna protect your rims. So stay tuned. I'll be doing it step by step, but it's a very quick and easy hack if I should say so. Yeah, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if it's your first time on this channel. Yeah, so basically what you're gonna need is this wheel protector. I got it very cheap. It's 100 rands, which is like $10, and as you can see, let me just try to focus on the writing. Well, as you can see, it's some Chinese manufacturer, but I took it because I saw that it's actually, they use 3M adhesive, so at least I can trust them. I was just giving it a try because I had so many problems with cab rush, and what you need is this protective tape, the wheel protector. You need a razor blade. You need this, it comes with it. They say it's an adhesion promoter. Alright, and you also need a microfiber cloth. If your wheels are very dirty, you're gonna need to wash them first, then dry them. But mine, I took my car to get washed yesterday, so I'm gonna only need to wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. So now this is the reason why I'm doing this. Let me just try to get a good focus. The sun is just too bright today. Yeah, so basically this is why you wanna protect your rims, because what it's supposed to look like is this smooth, but instead I hit, okay, there we go. So now that's what pushed me to do it. I've already done it on one of my wheels just to see how it looks, and this is how it looks. Let me try to get this focus. Yeah, this is how it looks. Originally the wheels look like this, and now this is how they will all look without this. I did this, there's a video which I did on dipping your brake calipers, and I did this one spoke as well, and on the other side as well. But originally the whole rim is black except for the centerpiece, of course. So now this is the protective strip. It helps you protect your rims. As you can see, my lips, the lips of my rim are a bit exposed, so now it's easy to damage them because you see it's sticking out. Let me try to get a good angle. This is where the tire ends and the rim is now exposed. So if you're walking sorry, if you're driving and you hit a stone or a rock, your rims get damaged. Okay, so I decided to start on the side. As a human you can always change your mind. So first what you want to do is, with a dry microfiber cloth, you just want to clean out the dust. Remember, I got my car washed yesterday, so it's fairly clean, but since I've been driving it, there has been some dust that it's been picking up. So now I'm just making sure that it's nicely clean and dust free. If I hadn't washed my car, I was gonna have to wash this with rubbing alcohol and things that I don't have. Yeah, so I'm gonna first open this adhesion promoter and check if there's anything. Okay, it's completely dry, so it's like just wiping with another dry cloth. Oh, okay, there's a bit of liquid on it. It smells a bit like... Okay, so now that the cleaning has been done, I'm done cleaning. I'm gonna peel this off to expose the adhesive inside. Then I'm gonna start now. I'm gonna start over here and put it on delicately so. And I'm gonna start pulling the adhesive protector off to expose the glue on this rim protector strip as I go. As you see, I didn't take off all this, I don't know if it's called the adhesive protector, but what's covering the adhesive under the strip. I didn't remove all of it before I actually get it on the wheel. So I'm doing it step by step. I pull it as I go, as opposed to pulling it all off, then finding that no, I've actually went over the size of the wheel. So I'm just gonna do it all around. This is a quick and easy process. You don't need to be an expert in DIY. It's very cheap and easy because I spent 100 rands, which is equivalent to $10. And I've been driving with that front wheel for over a month now, and it still looks new. I wish I had known about this before my other rims got scratched. But basically you just keep going on and on until you get to where you have started. Just make sure that where you put it, you just add some pressure to it to make sure that it sticks on properly. So now I'm almost done with it. Just gotta make sure that it's in line. Doesn't take another direction. So now comes the part where we cut with the razor blade. Just be careful not to cut your wheel, your tire. Okay, so now I'm done with the first wheel. I'm gonna repeat the same process all around the car on the other two wheels now. So you just wanna add some pressure again to make sure that it's sticking on properly. Look at that, guys, it looks so awesome. It adds that little detail that you didn't know that you need. Yeah, the sun is so bright out tonight, so my video looks very, very bright, but you see how it looks. And now your ride looks a bit sporty and your rims are a bit more protected. Yeah, I'm gonna continue with the other three, actually sorry, the other two